Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between national income and private income. Both concepts are important in economics, but they measure income from different perspectives. National income focuses on the income generated by an entire nation, whereas private income focuses on the income received by individuals and private households. Let us understand the major differences between them. Number 1. National income is the total money value of all final goods and services produced within an economy during a year, whereas private income is the income earned by individuals and private households from various sources during a year. Number 2. National income has a wider scope because it covers the entire economy, whereas private income has a narrower scope because it mainly focuses on individuals and private entities. Number 3. National income includes income earned by households, businesses, government enterprises, and foreign sectors, whereas private income includes only income received by private individuals and households. Number 4. National income represents the income generated within the economy as a whole, whereas private income represents income available to the private sector only. Number 5. National income reflects the earnings of the entire nation, whereas private income reflects the earnings of private persons and households. Number 6. National income includes all factor payments such as wages, rent, interest, and profit generated in the economy, whereas private income includes only those factor payments received by private individuals and households. Number 7. National income generally excludes pure transfer payments because they are not earned through production, whereas private income includes transfer payments such as pensions, scholarships, and social security benefits received by individuals. Number 8. National income considers income generated through productive activities, whereas private income also considers certain non-productive receipts received by households. Number 9. National income is mainly measured using national accounting methods, whereas private income is measured by calculating income received by the private sector. Number 10. National income is used to assess the economic performance of a country, whereas private income is used to assess the financial well-being of individuals and households. Number 11. National income serves as a macroeconomic indicator, whereas private income serves as a microeconomic indicator. Number 12. National income helps governments formulate economic policies, whereas private income helps individuals plan their consumption and savings decisions. Number 13. National income indicates the income available for national consumption, saving, and investment, whereas private income indicates the income available for household consumption and saving. Number 14. National income is concerned with the economy at the national level, whereas private income is concerned with the private sector level. Number 15. Examples of national income include GDP, GNP, and NNP, whereas examples of private income include personal income and disposable personal income. To summarize, national income measures the total income generated by the entire economy, whereas private income measures the income received by individuals and private households. National income helps evaluate a nation's economic performance, while private income helps understand the financial position of people within that nation. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.